The next step and final steps in your research essay is parenthetical citation. To create your bibliography for your essay, you're going to go back to your research chart and you're going to see all of the things that you've learned. You should have been citing your information as you go. So if your topic was teen depression, then you're going to have some information here where you went to these websites and copied and pasted some information. After you did that, you're going to cite as a footnote where you got that information, and it'll show up at the bottom as a correct MLA citation. So if you have a couple of pieces of information, you're going to cite all of them. Now, to create your bibliography, the first thing you're going to do is either get the add-on for the EasyBib Bibliography Creator or go to the website easybib.com. If you use the EasyBib add-on, you're going to be able to manage your bibliography real easily right on your document. The first thing you want to make sure you document is Romeo and Juliet, because you need to make sure that you have used that citation somewhere in your paper. And since we don't have an official Romeo and Juliet, we can use whichever one we decide we want to. So we're going to add that person and his version of Romeo and Juliet to our citations. And then we're going to go to our websites. And on our websites, you're going to take the site where you got your information, and they're going to be down here at the bottom. Copy them over, search, it'll find it, you're going to select it, and you're going to add to bibliography. You're going to do that for each one of your sites. And what will happen is it'll give you a nice compiled list of all of your sites that you've used. You're going to add the bibliography to the document, and it'll create a works cited page for you. You're going to copy that works cited page over to your research essay and add it to the end of your paper. So now you've got a nice research essay and a perfect works cited page. Now, how do you use that information within your document? You're going to use Parent's Guide to Teen Depression is the title of that particular article that we used, and whenever you see it and you've used it in your paper, you're going to put it in parentheses in your paper, just like that. Or if you use this one, Teen Depression, that one is going to be copied and put in parentheses in your paper. Now, what about Shakespeare? If you say that in Shakespeare's play, you don't need to write down Shakespeare in parentheses. The only thing you need to write down is the act and the scene number. So if Romeo and Juliet, if Romeo got hurt over Rosaline, that's in Act 1, Scene 1, then that's all you need to do. If you have any questions, please ask or look online and it'll give you the information.